She left me fucking crying, and that is all that fucking matters. Is that Scarlett walked home and her boyfriend. I'm sorry. Girl, knock that shit out of me.
Okay, but that doesn't explain this right here. This really good sense that it was hit by like a pole. Right here. Going all the way down to right there. It's about the width of a pole.
That's weird if that happened. I'd rather you like.
So there is a possibility that that occurred as well?
I mean, my. What I'm gonna like fucking picture is that he's here, he's doing the same thing. Is that this looks the same as a birth shit down the line? What is that down the line?
But that drew our attention over here. We saw her exiting the driver's side of the vehicle, and it was very obviously by demeanor, speech, eyes super dilated, intoxicated. She said she was driving. The friend passenger also gave a sworn statement saying that she was driving.
All right, he's pretty sure.
And when she was saying, "Oh, it's a serious crash," and he was like, "How is it serious?" She made a comment about how drunk drivers need to be held accountable.
Yeah, she would have just admitted the situation. Have you given someone your driver's license?
Yes, I can get that for you, but I do have her information written.
What is your first name?
Callie.
Callie?
C-A-L-I.
Callie, I'm Officer Blanchard. The reason why I'm here is because these officers are conducting a traffic crash investigation. Okay? During their crash investigation, they've noticed signs of impairment on you. It appears to them that perhaps you've had too much to drink and perhaps you're not driving a car. I'm here to investigate that possibility or potential, or whatever you want to call it. I want to make a distinction. They're conducting a civil traffic crash investigation. I'm conducting a criminal DUI investigation. Okay.
Right.
Well,
there was another girl on site as well.
Well, those.
Can they at least like provide the same, like?
Well, Callie, there's no reason to overcomplicate things, so I'll give you a rundown and I'll explain to you what it is. During a traffic crash investigation, you're covered by what we would call the traffic crash report privilege. That means that the state of Florida is very interested in figuring out how it is that cars come in contact with objects in cars so they can write it on pieces of paper and make charts out of it. That's awesome. And when these officers initially approach you and ask you about that, you tell them what's going on or why it's signed there. That's what that is. However, I'm making a distinction.
She was right there.
Callie, the distinction I'm making is important. I'm conducting a criminal DUI investigation. That means that when you speak to me about what occurred here, it's slightly different. Okay, we're exiting the coverage of the traffic crash report privilege. The things you say to me are important. You should govern yourself accordingly, because this is a criminal investigation. You understand that so far? All right. Now, to round that out and to enhance it, I'm going to let you know what your Miranda rights are. Why am I letting you? Why am I reading this?
I know. But you have to.
Well, I'm letting you know you should govern yourself accordingly. Okay. All right. So I'm going to take this card out of my shirt pocket. I'm going to read this to you. I'm going to ask you if you understand it, and then I'll ask you if you want to answer my questions. Okay? Here they are. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to consult with an attorney before you make a statement or answer any question, and the right to have an attorney present during questioning. If you want an attorney but cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you before and during questioning for your charge. You may use any of these rights at any time before or during questioning, and you may stop the interview at any time. Do you understand these rights?
I
Let me double back on my question. Are you willing to answer my questions? Yes or no? Okay, all right. Can you tell me what happened here?
Really? Ybor. And we were at the RITZ Ybor, actually. And I had driven here. Parked on here. I thought.
Parked over here, perhaps, in this parking spot?
Yeah, we were. And
What gets you over here to this section of the...
it was our fault. We did. It was also my fault. Completely. And Department. I know his name starts with J. RITZ Ybor.
Do you take any medicines, have any physical problems or any medical issues? Anything wrong with you at all?
I only have ADHD.
You take medicine for ADHD? Do you take what you're supposed to take and nothing more? As prescribed?
Barely under prescribed.
Okay. When was the last time you had that medication?
2 months ago.
2 months ago. Okay.
Nothing.
Just as needed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not.
Is this your vehicle?
This is my car.
Is there anything wrong with the vehicle? Does it drive and function the way it's supposed to, steer and stop?
It's fine. It's alright. It's just an oil change, but other than that, it's fine. And this is 100%.
Well, I'm not sure what it is you're saying there, but I will say that your performance on the field sobriety exercises.
Really drunk. I know.
Well,
I know. You have to say your thing, but.
Well, I'm trying to be fair with you, and if your concern is that how you are would appear on the field sobriety exercises, which I record on video, if you're concerned about that, my fair response is yes. And so when you say that's how it would appear in court, I don't know if that answers your question or that kind of rounds out what you're trying to say. I want you to make a decision you're comfortable with, but I also have to let you know your circumstances, okay? I'll make a decision here based on what I've seen so far, what I've been told, and what I can see here. Understanding what I've explained to you, and understanding, of course, that refusing to do the field sobriety exercise to be against you in court. Are you willing to do the field sobriety exercise? Yes or no?
I am, but I know it's not great.
So now you're saying I am, but
I am.
an exception. So are you willing to do them?
Okay.
Your contact lenses?
No.
May I start by looking at your eyes? And then I am. What's going to happen? I'm going to hold up this red light right here. I'm going to hold it up here in front of your eyes. I'm going to move it from side to side in front of your eyes. I want you to follow with just your eyes. Keep your head still on while I move. You understand? Absolutely. Absolutely. There's the red light. I want you to follow with just your eyes and keep your head still for me, okay? Keep your head still and follow with only your eyes, okay?
Vertical gaze nystagmus at this level, that's almost always a sign of high intoxication or certain drugs for that person. When the eyes jerk that early and that hard, the officer already knows how this night ends.
Okay, so you see the line here? The white line in front of you?
I have no reason to stay here.
Callie.
It's fine.
See the white line in front of you right here?
Yes, thank you.
Callie, come stand on the white line like I am. Right here. Facing that way. Alright. What I'm going to show you is what's called a walk and turn exercise, okay? Start by putting your left foot on the line, just like this. Go ahead and do that. Now put your right foot directly in front of it and stand heel to toe with your arms under your side, just like this. What I want you to do is stand like that and do not move or start until I tell you to, okay? Do you understand so far?
I do.
Your objective right now is to stand on the line with your right foot in front of your left, heel to toe, just like this, without moving while I give you the remainder of these instructions, okay? Do you understand? Now when I tell you to begin, and not until then, I want you to take 9 heel to toe steps on that line in a heel to toe fashion, just like this. 1, 2, 3, till you get to 9. At step 9, turn like I am. See how I'm stepping around a series of small steps with my outside foot, while my inside foot stays down on the line. And take 9 steps back to where you're at right now. Look down at your feet the whole time, count all your steps out loud, and make sure that all your steps are heel to toe like mine were here. Once you start the exercise, take your 9 steps, turn around, and come back without stopping. You understand the instructions?
Yes.
Okay. So go ahead and put your right foot in front of your left. That's your starting position, okay? The first time you move a foot will be step number 1, okay? You can go ahead and begin. You can start, Callie. Callie, how many steps have you taken? 12, and you ran out of line to top it all off. What do you think you're supposed to do? At some point, you're supposed to turn around?
I know.
Okay.
No, so, it's a little all the way far past, and then that means I go home, and I cry, and This is all over
So,
it.
Callie, focusing on the test, on the exercise that we're doing, once you turn around, what do you think you should do?
I just cried.
Do you recall how to turn around?
No, because it was already filled.
Where I'm pointing?
No.
You're going to face that direction right there? There you go. The next exercise is what's called a one-leg stand exercise, okay?
I wouldn't do it.
You wouldn't do it?
I mean,
You don't want to do it?
I wouldn't pass it anyways.
Do you want to try it?
I'd like to, but I know that it's not in the same.
Well, understand I'm trying to be fair and thorough here with you, okay? So, the way that I'll show you what I'm talking about.
No, but I know all of the other tests that I didn't pass, and then they all left me here, and then I failed them all.
Callie, we need to focus on a couple of things. Number one, yeah, your friends seem to have left you and abandoned you. Okay. Number two, on the exercises that we've done so far, yeah, we've seen some signs of impairment, okay?
I mean, I will.
Okay. But
In court,
Callie, the question is, are you wanting to do this other exercise? Okay, all right. So the way it works is this: you choose your left or your right foot. You're gonna hold your foot about 6 inches from the heel to the ground. Look down at your foot and count by thousands. Okay. Put your arms down at your side. All right. Look down at your raised foot. About 6 inches from the heel to the ground. And count 1001, 1002, 1003, and so forth until I tell you to stop. If you put your foot down before I have you stop, pick it up, keep on going from where you left off, without me having to tell you to do that. I want you to keep your arms down at your side. I want you to keep your foot up for the 30 seconds without putting it down until I tell you to. I want you to look down at your foot and count by thousands. Don't wave your arms around, don't hop around. You understand the instructions? I use a stopwatch, keep 30 seconds, and make sure you go for the correct amount of time. What I want you to do is keep your foot up as instructed without putting it down until I tell you to. Do you understand? As soon as you start, I'll start the stopwatch. You can go ahead and begin. So you put your foot down on 11 seconds. What do you think you should do?
I prefer to
Continue from 12?
No.
You don't want to continue from 12?
I know. Because I just rather admit that I was here with people that I shouldn't have, and
Callie,
I am here to.
Callie, you want to continue? It's a 30-second exercise. You made it till about 12. You want to go? You want to pick it up from 12?
Something good. No. Well, it went down. So.
Okay. You want to keep on going? You're going to put your foot down. So we can establish a couple of things. Your friends have abandoned you. They aren't the best of friends, are they? No?
Clearly not, but.
Stand with your feet together just like this, honey, please. Your arms are down at your side just like this. Stand just like that and don't move, okay? What I want you to do next is bring your hands here behind you. There you go. So Callie, you're under arrest at this time on a misdemeanor DUI. Is it female? Yeah, female for the search, please.
Oh, these are, oh no, these are pills.
And cheap handcuffs, my handcuffing technique stinks. Don't do it like I do.
I'll give you a 3.
Huh?
I'll give you a 3.
Out of a 10?
Those are double up.
What is it, a 5 these days? What are they scoring on?
Out of 7.
7? Yeah. Barely under 3. So, Callie, do you have anything on you that's unlawful? Sharp, drugs, dangerous,
No,
weapons,
nothing
knives? Nothing at all? No guns or nothing? You don't appear to have any pockets. Well, what's in your...
Oh, it's a fan. It's a fan. Usually,
What is it?
I'd say I can
Well, don't
think
reach
it's
for it. Just tell me what it is.
It's
not a rush.
hand fan.
It's a hand fan? Okay, we'll get it out in a second. Is there anything else?
No, that's all.
It's not some ancient weapon that's going to harm us, is it?
No,
Okay,
it's like
alright.
ancient China fan.
Okay, well, you never know these things.
I
How about in your car? Do you have any cash in your car? You have a phone probably, right? What'd you set down over there? Didn't you have
I had a phone over there.
Do you have a phone over there? How much cash do you have on you today?
Maybe $20, $100.
So what I'm going to do, Callie, look at me. I'm going to have a female officer come over here and take a look through your pockets real quick. You'll retrieve the super dangerous fan out of your leg for us, and I'll put that back in the car, okay? Now, I'll give you a quick rundown as to what happens, okay? We'll sit in the car. We're 10 minutes from the office, which is attached to the jail. We're going to go down there. I'll let you know what's going on. If you decide you want to take a breath test, you can do that. I'll let you know what happens if you don't. And it's paperwork, and I'll tell you, and then you'll be out later on this morning, okay? That's the rundown.
Mm-hmm.
All right?
Yeah.
It is what it is. All
No, thank you. I appreciate it.
You did fine. I've seen people do worse. It'll be all right. Walk with me over to my car.
Just frustrated at
I'd
the
be
women
also.
that I was with.
How long have you known these girls?
I've been friends with them for years.
Years?
Which is funny.
It's kind of rolled out.
Awful.
We're going to go over here
Awful.
to this side.
Oh.
You do find out your friends are in hard times, don't you? So, turn around for me. The other way. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I'm gonna get this fan out of here.
Hey, right, it's in the left.
Okay.
Sure. I'm sorry. I don't want you to really figure out. It's just an end. It's just a car fire.
Okay. What do you use this for when you're out partying?
It's just when you're hot inside.
Oh, really?
of the venue.
Okay.
For people who get hot inside.
That makes sense. Okay.
Callie, hang on. Before you hop in there, I noticed something real quick while he was getting
Anything.
What is this bulge that you have here across your midsection? Is that a package of
it's
some
just-
sort? You don't have to reach it.
It's a squish. I'm sorry.
Okay, stop.
So put it down.
Yeah,
That's fine.
It's
That's
like
fine.
a.
Is there anything else like that on you?
Yes, there's another one.
Okay,
It's
just set that
squishy
down right
toy.
there by the other one.
It's a.
Okay. Nope, you're good. Stand back up.
It's just a.
Stop reaching in your waistband. We will have a
I'd
female.
rather y'all.
Stop.
Okay?
No, stop. I did not ask you to take any of this stuff out. Just listen to what I'm asking. Okay? We will have a female
Either
come
way.
and do anything else. Stop. Okay?
Just.
Callie.
Okay, we needed this comic relief. The officer genuinely thought she was about to pull out a weapon, and it's a folding fan and some squishmallows. This is peak drunk logic. It's an ancient Chinese weapon, I swear.
She left me fucking crying, and that is all that fucking matters. Is that Scarlett walked home to her boyfriend.